Here we have a 2018 BMW 520d M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we do have the M Sport Plus package. Now we also have the Mediterranean blue metallic paintwork. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front kinda grills and also front splitter. This vehicle does come with the M Performance kit, so as you come around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. You'll also find the 20-inch alloy wheels. We do have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. Roof rails are up top along with the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler, front and rear parking sensors, and a rear reversing camera. You'll also find the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser, power operated tailgate. You can press the button on the key and you'll find it will open just like so. Inside of here you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need. You do have the partial shelf at the top. You'll also find the button just here to close it again. As that closes, we can also open up the window just like so. It is a split tailgate. Back around to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look at the interior, I'll have a look at the back seats. You can see the white leather seats, foldable armrests and fixed ISO points. You'll also find vents in the centre, ambient lighting on the doors, along with the electric windows. Same leather seats for the front. Both front seats are being heated, they're also electrically adjustable. And there's a quick look at both of them. Premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows, with the automatic lights down here. Multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside, got the digital dashboard in front of us. We also have the automatic wipers just here. Put my foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will turn on. We've got the cruise control and speedometer just here on the left, along with the paddle shifters as well either side. Digital dashboard, free from any warning lights. The steering wheel is also heated. You can press this button just here to activate it. You'll then find the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat nav. Plenty of features on here though, with all the shortcuts just down here. Click onto media, you'll find the radio stations. Over to the left and you'll find all the other options which you can go through. If you go onto the mobile devices, then you'll also find the Apple CarPlay just here. We do have the phone connectivity as well for the phone calls. If you go onto the main menu, onto My Vehicle, you'll find the light settings where you find all the different colours to go through for the ambient lighting. We do have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. And moving further down, you find the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, got the ice cold air conditioning, and also the heated seats either side, all working as they should do. Open this up to find some storage. We also have the two cup holders and the wireless phone charging underneath there, which can close just like so. Automatic gearbox, which has the different drive modes. You can press the buttons and quickly switch through the different drive modes. Also changes the design of the dashboard depending on the drive mode. Putting the vehicle into reverse camera appears on the screen along with the parking sensors as well. Back into park by pressing P, you'll then find the electric handbrake, auto hold button, and finally the armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 520d M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as we expect it to. As you can see, not to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left, or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do the multifunction steering wheel, which has the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the left, along with the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Now we are just at a junction, so we've slowed down, got our right indicator on. I'm just going to make sure there's no cars coming, so I'm just going to wait for this car to go past. Then we're going to turn it right, we're going to continue on our way, get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You'll also find the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to stick the car into manual mode. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We also have plenty more features as well throughout the vehicle. The leather seats, for example, which are really comfortable. These do too, free. With over 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated, perfect for them cold winter mornings. We also have the main infotainment screen just here. It's currently showing the radio stations, but also has plenty more features. You can quickly toggle through them. So for example, we've got the sat nav now on the screen. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. Ambient lighting as well, running all throughout, all makes the interior a nice place to be. Now we are going to take another right hand turn, so again put our right indicator on. We're going to slow down, make sure no cars are coming, and then turning right onto Grovey Road. And again, I'm going to accelerate, get up to speed, going through the gears with no issues. You'll also find we do have the intelligent safety just here. Press the button to switch between the levels. Makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. And we are approaching the dealership now, so we're going to take it nice and steady, coming around the bend, slowing down, putting our left indicator on, and then we're going to turn it left onto the dealership, and then we'll perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2, and 1. Hold onto the brakes, into reverse. Reverse camera appears on the screen. Back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with one of some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.